How to unfollow people who don't follow back on Instagram. Hey guys, let's get started. If you want to unfollow those people that are not following you, the steps are simple. However, you'll have to do it manually. So, first of all, get logged in into your Instagram account and then tap on your profile, which is on the bottom right. Then tap on following list. Now, click on this up and down arrow and then sort it by the latest date followed. Now, you have to click on the three dots on the account to view its activity and see if it's following you. If it is not, you can now simply unfollow them by visiting their profile and then clicking on the button of following and changing it to unfollow. So, this is one way to do so. Another way would be to download a file with your follower and following information and then compare it. So this is the two ways by which you can manually unfollow people who are not following back on Instagram. That is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.